Hey there, thank you for showing interest in working with me. When you decide to sell your home, you're not hiring someone to put a sign in the front yard or a lockbox on the front door. You're hiring someone to protect, position, and negotiate one of your largest financial assets. I'm John King with Berkshire Hathaway RW Town Realty, and let's talk about what truly determines whether you net the most money. And number one is definitely marketing, but not marketing the way most agents define it. In today's market, putting a home on the MLS and holding an open house is baseline at best. And of course, that's not strategy, that's entry level. And according to the National Association of Realtors, the vast majority of buyers begin their home search online. And that means if your property is not positioned correctly digitally, you're already behind. Most agents will post, very few know how to strategically advertise, and there's a big difference. My approach is what I call a strategic digital marketing system. Your home receives professional photography, cinematic video, drone footage when appropriate, and targeted paid digital ad campaigns. Obviously, we'll retarget to buyers actively searching in your price range. We do platform-specific distribution across the major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google, and many more. And these aren't just boosted posts. They're structured campaigns designed to put your home in front of qualified buyers, both locally and out of the area. Because in Hampton Roads, many buyers relocate. Military transfers, corporate moves, remote workers, and if we're not marketing beyond just your neighborhood, we're probably leaving money on the table. Now let's talk about exposure because it's super important. Exposure is not the same as impressions. It's not about how many people scroll past your home or not looking for vanity views. It's about how many qualified buyers actually engage. Video increases time on page. Retargeting keeps your home in front of buyers who have already shown interest, and professional presentation increases perceived value before showing even happens. And perceived value influences the offer strength. Beyond marketing, there's preparation. There's deep cleaning the home because clean homes feel cared for and cared for homes feel much safer to buy to the buyer. That emotional response directly impacts what buyers are willing to offer on your home. And obviously negotiation matters. When offers come in, this is where experience separates professionals from the order takers. Price is only one variable. Terms, timelines, contingencies, concessions, they all affect your bottom line and your personal timeline. My job is to protect your equity, not just secure a contract. Many sellers focus heavily on commission, and I understand that. But what matters most is what you walk away with at the closing table. An agent with limited marketing, limited negotiation skill, or limited exposure can cost you far more than a few percentage points. This isn't about hype, it's about execution. And if we decide to work together, you'll receive clear pricing strategy based on current data, professional presentation, structured digital exposure, direct communication, and very strong negotiation. And disciplined contract management all the way from beginning to end. Selling a home is both financial and emotional, and my role is to keep it structured, strategic, and steady all the way through. If you're ready to position your property correctly from day one, let's move forward with a plan designed to maximize your return. I'm John King with Berkshire Hathaway RW Town Realty. I'll see you a little later.